Nti ene yadesua no sene ya to ne din nerve damage. 40 clear signs your body is talking to you. Essentially ahodo 14 no kire say o nerves damage and no adesua besua ye behwe de nerves nan kaso no eden ade ne nerves ye behwe se nerves no damage a asie ne sen na e behwe 14 signs a e be kire se nipa nerves no damage na afi ya hwe de ede eba causes of nerve damage. Inti yesha nerves no your communication system. To say usidanya uye electrical wiring ewo fie sene obetima hwe TV I plug o fridge bibia electrical wiring system. Ni pedua no so electrical wiring system no nerves no. Inti nerves no na carry messages between your brain and the rest of the body. Into the brain, and a spinal cord. The spinal cord the thick main nerve na what your quenchi I ba your toho baby no. And no your brain and your spinal cord technically no central nervous system. Now you share the main function of the central nervous system say a control nipedua ni nyina and the main control center ya adwene and a spinal cord no na yehwa from the spinal cord no yehwa other nerves be millions of individual nerves are your spine mu na a supply your skin your muscles your nine your nsa your internal organs to say your koma your stomach, bladder, internal organs in your nerves in your peripheral nervous system. No, it means the nerves are outside the brain and the spine. Now, a day ena omoye nerves omoboy ema yetimi enya feeling say bia obi nsakan bibi ebe ya beti. Way first where nerves in the boy, second where nerves in the boy a movement and a catch your muscles is how I say you move and when to move. If you are last one automatic messages are nerves no sending. I no a boy a control ya coma send ya coma a bo a fa send ya ididia ya digest and I say ya me fa so sweating crowd be no be sweat ya ni na automatic and ya Pediano and a autonomic nervous system no and no enya dia nipa wo control any pediana na ejuma blood pressure say you know any pediana ankasa na and control blood pressure autonomic nerves no. Inti who said 3 key ways are nerves no controlling. Inti then is see say a bus nerves no damage ya asiane saying the first category no of damaged nerves no say nerves no it will overfiring no asiane say ubon say which means to say o nerves no send too many messages from maybe your body to your brain and now vice versa. Normally no your brain no and your body a two-way communication. Your brain best sending message to your body will send messages back to your brain. Now brain I interpret say bibi share ubon say e ka say obi feel a yaw bi obabi e won nipa no nipa duanima ana say onya tingling ana burning sensation bi a bibi hye on ne nam a na say nipa duano nerves na over fire ana send too many messages here. Another nso fault I no sutimi ba ho no ye fe no under firing. Your nerves no and send enough messages and no messages into na you feeling numb na ITTT and I answer ITTT and say it means and send enough messages. The third one say nerves no sometimes send wrong signals na a confuse and false messages. Na you share sa condition and medical you describe no say a peripheral neuropathy. it means to say damage to the nerves outside the brain. Actually, and I spinal cord my master maybe say fee and the thick nerve now from your quenchi a call your two baby no. Now at this point, 14 clear signs are a better nipa no say the nerves no air damage and now fault abem. Before me dey better so no information better so ebia uti na on subscriber ya call me YouTube channel and subscribe ya pacho uko YouTube na for Dr. James dash natural link Dr. James dash natural link ishemo kwa pacho p na was subscribe or subscribe a boy my channel no bless other people because in your bia na opportunity e buy video so into a year so me the video bia to so on sabe can be immediately. After so no so we chrome hands or betima take opportunity visiting juma from Monday to Saturday appointment and you're walking into so betimi aba numbers no enche me the better so signs 14 signs and no better any pass or nerves no electrical part of the body no air damage. Number 1 air tingling and it will be our best experiencing pins and needles tingling. It means unipeduano nerves no air over fire and sending too many messages that answers are sending. Number 2 a burning sensation you feeling without pain and also actually say and also nerves no air too much but from say amplifying. It means is I say the nerves are sending unnecessary too many messages until when you burning sensation. Sometimes it be on sa and our night teaching on night, especially say over diabetes and pre-diabetes and our sugar be bread or mujama but when you burning sensations. Number 3 sign or a numbness. It means say on sa and now 9 out this it means TTT. I don't see a sign ibia. Number 4 sign on your friend of poor hot and cold awareness. As anything on saka bibia air shikra bibia on tese ebia dia on saka na air shi ana but from say difficulty sensing temperature. The temperature near higher and soon to mean sense it which means you say ana air shi into lose sense of hotness or coldness and also chest or nerves in the air damage. Number 5 or muscle between eye weak if any muscle weakness. Normally a convention will be untimi left near my mood do and now could be great to me if fit up a feel a beer utimi jemu and I say be a boha untimi bottom ne untimi bottom ne the bottoms cry and be big to a bit form continue funny ye and also a sign be sign number 6 so no or muscle if any muscle twitching and cramps once or skin muscles ne peja no a jump na tighten and no find the muscle twitching and also better say or nerves and also air damage. Number 7 sign no a poor balance how nanti na kwa fan ultimate balance or triple bonze especially elderly people ultimate teshe because the nerves no enye jumaye position sensing nerves no sending unclear information to the brain into nerves no damage so ubenya poor balance or nanti kra na kwa fan fed by from say unsteady feeling unsteady. Number 8 sign no a pain from light touch and you see a sign it be a pain from light. It means say so obi cry in saka kitwe bi pe ana beshi to cramp out the cover ho cry no it mean ma ohunam ya and you see a sign it be a. The next sign so a cause sign number 9 no a digestive problem as you say be odi dia a cry be no feeling bloated we for my do bloatness na gas constipation untimi injaw 9 after so no ebia no manya diarrhea say would fruit would vegetables or no monsieur fine still untimi injaw 9 abetimi abase bia liver brabon nya dwumayi anasa nerves a supply or gas system no ena adamage anasa enya dwuma. Number 10 sign no say dizziness when standing when you should be chin emra o ujina hono light-headed and now be fainty and no blood pressure control nerves no a failure to adjust quickly until your blood pressure the boy and I had itimi ujina ho utimi ayeden ujina ho without having any problem. Blood pressure the move blood a call wadwini mu it is a basse blood pressure control nerves no enye adwuma yi a ujira ho otio na sorry ntentema o sorry impofrima bon say when you each because blood pressure control nerves no damage ana say enye adwuma. Sign number 11 no say abnormal sweating, obi out or sweaty or timfifre too much, and I say on timfifre kra, and also such as any nerves no enye adwuma. Sign number 12, bladder and sexual problems. Inti oboha or poor bladder control and a sexual dysfunction, where controlled by the automatic nerves no, and I say nerves are any control over it. Obi akwajonso or jonso we are still no, and also all sabit gents and now say restroom na before be do okra na sebi or junso go no. It means a nerve supply to the bladder no and be na atochima and now say sexually no or berima, but especially merima sexual problems because of nerve damage. Sometimes a blood supply. The next 13 sign or a difficulty lifting the foot to be or nantia not or drag in the feet and I say the foot a kind of foot drag or I say foot drop into say on nanti na bia una ba ko into mean lifting up papa and only a friend of foot drop no and what and no say nerves no damage. Sign number 14, your friend of gloves and socks feeling. I see anything say onaya now on sano onaya no obefele say and now on sano befele say o gloves onan be feel say o socks and so socks be an show and a gloves be an soon show on sa feeling no if any gloves or socks feeling and also actually say o sensory nerves no send a false signal to your brain. In other words o brain and coordinate with on sano nan because of nerve damage and nerves na hodino a perform. Now as they say at this point in the a day and a damage nerves. In fact, number one and the foundation cause of this nerve damage, a kind of metabolic dysfunction. I see any saying, a cause of metabolic dysfunction, and you know, I say, unipediano, entimi use sugar ni any energy, adriania, ubedino, ube break bibia down into sugar now glucose. Nipediani to me. And you soon any energy no intimate converting into energy and you so energy ni in kind of metabolic dysfunction. And no na echere say wo insulin we need any produce no insulin hormone a move glucose no blood sugar no into your body for energy. But say base we need no any sensitive to insulin. I find insulin resistance. So my share and pempino me mention insulin resistance our videos because I know a foundation of a lot of diseases. A hands-on nerve damage so and the primary cause. It means the number one problem and one a day pre-diabetes and a full-blown diabetes at the bar and I say sugar people a what medium at the bar no I damage your nerves and a nipple nerves directly a damage small arteries so intina moja femono kinketeno damage ne pa directly sugar. But say obi ewo hyperglycemia and also a second point means and sugar or chronic high blood sugar and also so no a cause injury and now say damage nerves no and so directly a pa yesha if be protein glycation a protein glycation a CNS and protein glycation means say sugar no wo mojem too much a sticky ananse a bare ayi protein a wo nerves so nerves our protective covering a kind of myelin sheet at say electrical wires now you will be cover yes unsasoma a big kiku the same thing and your wall myelin sheet and cover your nerves now normally no protein so inti sugar no adonso mojama etimi stick to this protein if any glycation e basa e ma nerves no ntimi nye adwuma aye e be man e be cause inflammation e pa by inflammation so e ade a so sugar people oni pedua nim a e call e inflammation by inflammation say ya soja egu ni pedua nim na e hye e basa na o nerve cells no nyina no e ka no ntimi nye adwuma aye. But say glycation na a form our nerves immune system no your system nyame abo say enye den protect you against viruses and bacteria and fungi. But as I say, protein na the covering of your nerves changing into na onipedua ne edwene say no bibia it doesn't belong to the body na onipedua na attack o nerves tie basa na o nerves hunkra be na ntimi nya adwuma yi ekra eno nti we kwan a faso a damage nerves no ba insulin resistance ni nyina no then e deba yaduani a yedi especially ne one dakem factories ni produce no soft drinks and then we are eating late Ghana nuane enye se enye but quantity no portion no na too much and the wrong time and so kabeya anka your first food no and say your main food na you make sure say yin no carbohydrates no carbo no here kitwe bi ni here the main thing that here pa no therefore protein and vegetables eno ena here pa enipa unyina nti say yet carbohydrate no sanka beya carbohydrate no say only 10% pe of your DNA say yedi nti at this time no ye behwe na ya bone tofa de yesua eneno nso no ye bone tofa no mo a omo adjoining nso no enya bibi enso enfim midende Dr. James na ya disua no simple ni din ade nerve damage 14 clear signs ebi san say ene nerves your nerves no the body communication system no connect your brain no and your spine no a spinal cord no your main nerve connect your brain back but out of the spine no you have millions of nerves your spine connect your skin your organs, internal organs, your baby. Now through that, you have two-way communication. Brain will send a signal through this nerves, Now body will send a message back to the brain. Now your brain, I interpret it. Important say, in fact, you say nerves like electrical wires. Carry messages between your adrenal and your spinal cord. The main running nerve running down the back of these messages and a boy may fail and answer it move a control niyama, especially say akoma a bakraba udidi say udi adrenal wedino a bed digest a bayam nina ejina nerve messages na brain be send to your system obe team fifre crash sweating or blood pressure nina ejina so na yehwa say you can say nerves ya damage ana aye faulty as you saying it means the nerves it be sending too many messages and too few messages and I sending wrong messages. Any message be sending outside the brain and your spinal cord and your friend peripheral neuropathy peripheral nerves nerves are outside the spinal cord and your brain which simply means damage to the nerves outside the brain and the spinal cord, that is peripheral neuropathy and mostly affect the hands, the feet, the arms and the legs. A day 14 signs and your wall. I have 14 clear signs say body air warning say nerves air damage. Number 1, and I say yes shall see because a tingling and pins and needles. I say BB and a numb or skin because a BB and a numb or skin a pins and needles. A boy on so a feel burning sensation as a BB a nice shishino and nice and semu shishino and an name in semu shishino without really feeling real pain but in shishia and a numbness obon say sa area no aye tititi on fele hoye anase nipa no efa ne difficult so sense hot or cold onipa obo hanso a onya muscle weakness nti ontimi left eniama yi ontimi so eniama mu ye okota bibia na ebi afiato anase or footsteps cry na stairs cry eden obo hanso a obe experience the effect of muscle twitching and cramps obo say ne na ho baby ne sound baby peja effect of muscle twitching obo hanso a onya poor balance or feel unsteady or nanti bia na okwa afanfa otimi triple otimi tehwe without problem because nerves no damage obo honso a wonu saka kra bi kan on or the even best crack cover no kra na no hoye ne ya it's mean pain from light touch. Another symptom so a digestive problem what did you we and so feel bloated or constipation otimi jane nine and onya ne yam hwe so we bia unya sa problems here bo ha obaka say bia many fruit and vegetables and amenu so yes and menya na still o bloatu o constipate here unya diarrhea me say bitima ba say bia e liver and now say o nerves I supply to your gut no enye dwuma yi say obo anso a ote ho na ogina ho osore ntentema na I say enu su chi no enu nso no blood pressure control nerves no ye dwuma yi obo nso sweat too much sweat or too little sweat no team 15 10 na nasa no bibi se be edam kra nyu kwa na team 15 eno so nye good sign obo nso a or bladder problem bia okọ sebe restroom kra na you saw the one ko ya na oliki so abo nso a member particular no nya sexual dysfunction to be nerve supply no enkoye damage obo nso a onantia ontimi left ne nan eye e fe no foot drop nti ontimi left ne nan eye obo nso onya strange feeling say o she gloves and so she gloves bia anase o she socks and so socks bia ni ho nti enuanom yenum say the when I happen ni na no because of diabetes too much sugar I wo mojenim no itimi e de bapa too much sugar no so add inflammation ba too much sugar no so no e cause the glycation e ma protein e wo o nerves no so no e can bomb e glycation ba basa nerves no ntimi enye juma but immune system so hu sa na attack nerves no na wase no na ho yi na so ntimi enye juma immune system one thing but toxic chemicals and so akwa ni pedua so timi damage nerve and a poor blood circulation and so it may yes sir inti enuanom nerve damage na develop slowly but early signs no important say be hu na prevent is bia wo tie me na bia wo any of the 2 or 3 signs and any chronic problem fresh number of outside the UK +44 738 464 7300 come YouTube channel so na support the channel no okwa for Dr. James dash natural link Dr. James dash natural link shimukwa wa subscribe no support to jimedie me that's a person